When it comes to upgrading your home's comfort, beauty, and efficiency, choosing new windows is only half the equation. The other half, the part that ensures your investment performs as promised, is professional installation. Homeowners in Des Allemands who partner with certified window experts gain far more than just a flawless fit. They enjoy lasting performance, enhanced energy savings, and peace of mind. Here's why trusting the professionals at Windows Des Allemands makes all the difference. Guaranteed precision and perfect fit windows aren't just decorative, they are structural elements that protect your home from the elements. Even the most advanced, energy-efficient window will fail to perform if installed incorrectly. Professional installers from Windows Des Allemands use precise measurement techniques and specialized tools to ensure every window fits seamlessly into its frame. A perfect fit prevents air leaks, drafts, and moisture infiltration, issues that often lead to higher utility bills, water damage, and reduced comfort. By entrusting installation to trained technicians, homeowners ensure their new windows operate smoothly and provide the tight seal needed for maximum efficiency. Enhanced energy efficiency and lower bills. One of the main reasons homeowners replace windows is to cut down on energy costs. However, without proper installation, even Energy Star rated windows can underperform. The experts at Windows Des Allemands understand the science behind insulation, sealing, and thermal barriers. They apply industry-approved installation methods and premium sealants to minimize heat loss in winter and prevent heat gain in summer. The result? A home that maintains consistent indoor temperatures year-round, helping you enjoy lower utility bills and a smaller carbon footprint. Access to professional tools and techniques. Professional window installers bring more than experience, they bring the right equipment. From laser-guided measuring tools to advanced leveling systems, they use high-precision technology to eliminate gaps and alignment issues. Attempting a DIY installation might seem like a cost-saving option, but small miscalculations can lead to costly problems down the road. Expert installers ensure that each component, from frame alignment to hardware installation, is completed to manufacturer specifications, protecting your investment and warranty coverage. Manufacturer warranty protection. Most high-quality windows come with manufacturer warranties, but there's a catch: improper installation can void those warranties. By hiring Windows Des Allemands professionals, you maintain full warranty protection, ensuring coverage for both product defects and workmanship. These experts are often factory trained and certified, which means your windows will be installed according to manufacturer standards. This added protection gives homeowners confidence that their new windows will last for decades without unexpected repair expenses. Improved home value and curb appeal. Professionally installed windows not only enhance energy efficiency, they elevate your home's appearance. The installation team ensures that every window aligns perfectly with your home's design, improving symmetry and overall curb appeal. Whether you're planning to sell or simply want to increase property value, professional installation creates a polished look that attracts buyers and adds measurable value to your home. Potential buyers are also reassured knowing that the windows were installed by certified professionals rather than through DIY efforts. Safety and structural integrity. Window installation involves handling large glass panes, heavy frames, and intricate hardware, tasks that can be hazardous without experience. Windows Des Allemands professionals are trained to perform safe installations using proper lifting techniques and secure mounting methods. They also assess surrounding wall structures for damage or rot before installation, ensuring that your home's integrity remains intact. This thorough inspection and preparation process helps prevent future issues like sagging frames or water intrusion. Long-term peace of mind. Perhaps the most valuable benefit of professional installation is peace of mind. When you work with Windows Des Allemands, you know the job will be done right the first time. Their technicians stand by their work with installation warranties, ensuring long-term satisfaction and reliability. From the first consultation to final inspection, you receive expert guidance and transparent communication, making your window replacement project smooth, efficient, and stress-free. In conclusion, windows are a vital part of your home's comfort, style, and energy performance. But to unlock their full potential, professional installation is essential. With Windows Des Allemands, homeowners gain the expertise, precision, and quality assurance that only seasoned professionals can deliver. From perfect fit to long-lasting performance, investing in expert installation means investing in your home's future. When it's time to replace or upgrade your windows, trust the professionals at Windows Des Allemands, where craftsmanship meets customer care.